Hi dear students, in previous classes we learned about the basic things about the North American continent. Today we learn about the physical division of North American continent with the help of the sketch pen and paper and outline map. Okay, dear students, the physical division of North American continents totally are four. Number one is Western Colidaris or the Rocky Mountain. Second one is the Greater Central Plain, and third one is the Appalachian Highland, and the fourth is the Coastal Plain. Okay, dear students, once again repeat: the Western Cordilleras or the Rocky Mountains. The second one is the Greater Central Plain, and the third one is Appalachian Highland. Okay, and the fourth one is the coastal plain. So these are the four physical division of North American continent. So now we identify actually where is the physical division, in which direction. Dear students, just we make directions. It is north, here is south, it is west, and it is east. So Western Colidaris, it means in west side of North America there is Colidaris or the Western Colidaris or the mountains. See, from Alaska range, here is Brooker's range, and here Alaska range. From Alaska range we identify the Western Colidaris. See, about Mexican Plateau to it is extended from Brooker's range or Alaska range to the Mexican Plateau. So in between the large of this physical division, the most part is Rocky Mountain. So this Rocky Mountain is here, this side, so this physical division is called as Rocky Mountain. In this Rocky Mountain, so in this direction there is Mount Elbert, and here in this direction there is Mount Whitney, the name of the plateau, name of the mountain. Okay, sorry. So then here is Columbia Plateau. So plateau, it means, so in Kannada the plateau means the Prasthabhumi. The height of the plateau will be there, and after height there will be a plain at the tip. Here is Columbia, and here is, in this direction, here is Colorado Plateau, and Mexican Plateau is here. So these plateau and mountains are in the Western Colidaris. So we are, you identify, in the examination I give the questions. Your job is to identify the physical division. So Mount Elbert is here, Mount Whitney is here, Columbian Plateau is here, and Colorado Plateau is here, and Mexican Plateau is here. Okay, so after this physical division, then second physical division is Central Plain. So Central Plain, see, I am drawing, see here, it is Central Plain. So this Central Plain, here is the most important river of North American continent. The most important river of North American continent is Mississippi. Mississippi is the name of the river. See, our India's most important river is Ganga. of North America continent's important river is Mississippi, and its important tributary is Missouri. So the Great Central Plain is well known for food cropping. The land is fertile, suitable for agriculture, and here and there are lakes and tributary rivers. So it is very good for agriculture. So the next physical division is Appalachian Highland. Appalachian Highlands. Highlands, it means the height of the land is higher. So just I make a draw. I take another sketch pen. See, I am drawing the Appalachian Highland. So this is the Appalachian Highland. This Appalachian Highland, why it is so famous? It is so famous because the minerals like coal, lead, zinc, iron ore, copper, water, power generation and wood are identified in this Appalachian Highland. So this Appalachian Highland, it is from Labrador Plateau. So Labrador Plateau is here, and its extension is up to here, Alabama. So from Labrador Plateau to Alabama, it is there. So in between here is St. Lawrence. Here is St. Lawrence River. Dear students, I think this part is Newfoundland. It is a part. Okay. After that, the last physical division is coastal plain. The coastal it means the river. It is a border of river and the land. It is called as coastal. See, the northeast direction is narrower. It is not broader, but the southwest is wider. I am telling about the width of this continent. And here is sandy soil, and swamp and marshes are commonly identified. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubt, then call me and clarify.